Oh my god, why is it so much of a day in Hawaii? I don't know. Yeah, I just changed new clothes. Why did you change clothes of you? I don't know. I just remember we're going to Japan, but I don't know Hawaii. Oh my goodness, Japan. Oh my gosh, Hawaii. Good, I love Taiwan. Now we're gonna destroy this airplane. Yeah, we're gonna destroy this airplane. Wait a minute. Where's my friends? No. My friends. I'm gonna save them. Oh, here we go. Wait. Where are my kids is now? Let me down, please. Their foot. Alright. Huh? Thank you for saving me, guys. You're welcome. I thank you. We are in the server, maybe. yeah, we're on the server. Oh my god, we gotta build. Let's build. What are you gonna get this right? Yes, let's build. Good. There we go. Let's enter. Oh, this is the beautiful house that I made. Oh my god. I enter. Where's that? Ow, my balls! Ow, my balls! Let's go. I can't move. Huh. There. Let's go. Why is the pumpkin, guys? I don't know. Why is the pumpkin guys? Oh my god, there's deaths over there. Alright. Yes. They died.